Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. Now, you know voiceovers always record at different volume levels. Don't you wish there was one effect that could get them all sounding exactly the same level? Well, there is. It's called Speech Volume Leveler, and we're going to look at it right now. Okay, if you're enjoying these videos, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and remember to ding the bell so you never miss another audio production tutorial. Here in the multi-track, I've got 3 of our different voice artists here at Music Radio Creative. Let's have a listen.
Playing today's best music, this is Shuffle Radio.
Okay, that one's hitting -4 dB.
It's time for the Reinventing Your Business podcast.
That's hitting -15.
We talk with our clients about their businesses, the issues they face.
And that's around -12 dB. So you can see all these voices are all over the place. Wouldn't it be great if there was a magic effect that can make them all the same level? And the answer is, there is. It's called Speech Volume Leveler. It's available in the effects menu under Amplitude and Compression, Speech Volume Leveler, and usually on the default settings, this works pretty well. Just by adding this, look at what happens down below to the levels.
Playing today's best music, this is Shuffle Radio.
It's time for the Reinventing Your Business podcast.
We talk with our clients about their businesses, the issues they face.
And as you'll see and hear, everything is now pretty much between -5 and -4 dB. Magic, job done, right? Well, no, maybe I should explain what's going on here. So first of all, we've got a target volume level, which is -12 dB RMS. So the average volume level will hit that, not the same as the actual level, but the loudness that essentially it will hit. Then you've got the leveling amount, which is 100%. You might have heard in some places there and also here, there was a little bit of hiss. The leveling amount is basically sucking up any hiss. So if a voiceover is recording in a studio with a bit of hiss or background noise, it will drag that up. One of 2 ways to fix that. Either just place fade ins and fade outs at the start and end so it doesn't do that.
It's time.
And again, it doesn't drag up that background hiss. Use a noise gate as well, you could do that. Or reduce the leveling amount. And right there, it's not so bad. Target dynamic range you can leave exactly as is. And if you want to boost the low end, if there's a lot of bass in the voice, you can do that too. Also in advanced, you have a compressor and a noise gate, which you can add in as well, but I've never used them. Really, I think there are more advanced tools in Audition that can do compression and noise gating, so I tend to leave those out. But they're there if you need them. It's kind of a jack-of-all-trades effect that does one thing really well, and that is leveling out speech from multiple different voiceover artists. Let me know how you get on with this effect and any questions down below in the comments. And also, if you want to use my Adobe Audition presets that use the speech volume leveler, I love using it in my presets. Go and check them out at mrc.fm/presets. That's mrc.fm/presets.